Hello, everybody. I wanted to show you a little trick when you're using Experience Cloud, and you'll find it on pages when you're exposing records, whether it's your portfolio or for a client. We run into this a lot with clients, and they want this button right here called View All Removed. It sometimes shows up on list views, and it shows up in different places. But say I have a long list and I don't want them to see anymore by clicking the View All button, I can hide that with the CSS, which is the underlying code in Experience Cloud. You can override it's called cascading style sheets, and it's the look and appearance of the site. So say I don't want the view all button. I don't want them to have the functionality. So what I'm going to do is I'm in preview mode. I'm just going back to my builder. This is a record list. And I'm going to go to this right here on the top left that says theme. I'm going to click on that. Now, when you're in theme, it may look a little differently if you've gone to font or something. So if you click on it and you go to theme and it doesn't look like theme, just click the back caret to where it says theme. You can head over to the CSS by clicking this caret and go to edit CSS. I do want to warn you, you do not want to make a lot of changes in the CSS because it will break on a release. I was in one org that had over 1,000 lines of CSS, and as soon as the new release came out, it broke because you're trying to change the underlying, or you're overriding the underlying code. So keep that in mind. Small changes aren't going to hurt it. The one I'm going to show you is not going to be a big deal. And at the end of the video, I'll show you where to get the code. You do not have to know the code off the top of your head or know how to code to do this. So you go to the caret, says edit CSS. The first time you go here, you'll get a warning saying, do you want to override? Hit yes. It will have nothing in yours. I have been working in mine, so it has some. This is the code that I will give you at the end. You're going to hit this. Oh, excuse me. That was my Loom video. I'm going to grab the code, and I'm going to copy and paste it in here. Now, this code, it's just a simple line of little dots and weird looking things, will make that view all link disappear. So I'm going to hit save, and you can now see it has gone. If I hit preview, it's gone. So that way people cannot get into things I don't want them to get into. It's just a simple way to hide some things. Now, in order to find this code that I just did, you're going to have to go to my portfolio. I will link that in the bottom. Also, as a reminder, whenever you make a change in Experience Cloud, you're going to want to hit the Publish button. And what that does is it's the actual Save button. It'll save that code for you. So I would hit Publish if I wanted it saved like this. It only takes a minute, and then it becomes permanent. If for some reason I save it and I don't want it in there, I can go back to my theme and go to the CSS, and I can just take that code out, hit save, my view all button is back, and I would hit publish. Super easy to do. So you're going to go to my portfolio, and I have this tab called More, and it says Build Your Brand. Click on that. And within here, under Branding Tools, I have a custom CSS code sheet. You click on that, and you will have the ability to see the code. So it's loading a preview. I can download it if I want it myself, and I can grab the code. I put everything in red that does something. Any code I have on this will be in my YouTube playlist under Experience Cloud Tips. So if you don't know what these are, they'll help you with that. This may look different now from when you view it. There may be more depending on what I've done with it. So just to let you know, you can download that and then just copy it and paste it into your Experience Builder site. So good luck.